Today's Hot Wheels 2021 International P-Case unboxing. Brought to you by these guys, A&J Toys. Nice to see the A&J Toys logo in a video. Seems like we were running with all A&J Toys cases that were sent from Hot Wheels Matchbox a few weeks ago. Then all of a sudden, Hot Wheels and Mattel went crazy and sent me the Kroger cases and the Red Edition Target cases and the Walmart Zamak cases and an M case and an N case and a P case, all US. This is the international P case from A&J Toys, available there if you want it. Let's cut it open and open it up and see what is inside. This is the second to last case. We're going to see if the international case is any different than the US case. Most likely it's not, but you know, who knows? It's always fun to see these very cool models, of which the P case is loaded with them. And then we will, once the time comes, we will do the Q case, right? And that will be the end of 2021 Hot Wheels Basics. There's still a lot of premiums to come. Premium mixes in car culture and Fast and Furious and everything else, but we'll get to those in time. And let's see what Hot Wheels has provided us today in the P case. And we start with the Eruption, the 15 Dodger Charge, we'll call it that just for the hell of it, and the Fusion Busta. I think it's the case before that has the ID Chase in that one, right? What was the is the regular Hunt? Let's see if it's in here. I think it's that right there, right? The fantastic Galaxy Ain't Fair, recolor in orange. There's the Mazda MX-5 Miata, and then one of the stars of the last case, the Land Cruiser 80. All right, now we're getting into the stuff that's new to this case, like the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in red, not Fast and Furious, but looks kind of like it. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor in that cool kind of burgundy, dark brown, coffee color, and then the Sand Burner. This one wouldn't mark. I can't remember if this is new. I think it is, but this one, when they're international cases, in the international card, it doesn't say the new for 2021 on it, right? Okay, there's your recolor of the Mercedes-Benz 500E. There's your Batman Batmobile, because every case has something Bat-related. And the custom Ford Bronco in orange, the then and now that matches the new Ford Bronco. All right. 2017 Acura Nsx. I think my favorite color. I mentioned that. Favorite color of this casting so far. 52 Chevy. And then the star of the case, in my opinion, but there's some other good ones too, is the Mclaren F1. I did a little Reels thing showing some of the older McLarens, but I forgot to include the premiums. I forgot to include the car culture versions. That's my bad. La Troca, so maybe I'll do something else with those. There's the one of the other great cars of that era, the McLaren, and then there's the Bugatti EB110 SS. Still digging that, and then recolor of the Mercedes again, which I'm also digging. See all these cool cars? We're pretty spoiled, aren't we? Chevy Impala Ss, 67 Olds 442, and the 82 Dodge Rampage in black. That Golf 442 is really cool. Hopefully you guys are picking that up. Dodge Diora 3, the Turtle Shell, and the Tricera truck. Wouldn't necessarily call that a very Lamley-esque trio of three right there. But 52 Chevy. Again, there is this. Love the 98 Prelude in red. We've already did the feature on these castings, right? So we've already seen them loose on the turntable. And then the X-Jet. Man, I love that. Prelude. Eruption, Turtle Shell, and the Crescendo. Now, I think we did, when I did this case, was it the Red Edition P case? It might have been, so I don't remember. Okay, there is your regular treasure hunt. Again, fantastic. The 65 Ford Galaxy. There's your symbol. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it on the card. I think we're going to do a Lamley Awards with these regular treasure hunts just because there's so many good ones this year. Ford Ranger Raptor, and another Dodge Charger SRT. '70 Chevy Camaro RS, '49 Ford, which would have been the Super in the last case, and the Batmobile. So we didn't pull out the, what is it, the wagon gasser would be the Super in this case. So my assumption, typically, there are times that a Super treasure hunt shows up in the second half, but I wonder if we're not even going to have that. I guess if we do have the wagon gasser, most likely it won't be a Super because it's in that second half, the lower half. Here's a rarity. An actual not scrunched piece of cardboard to divide the two. How about that? Wow. That might be the highlight of the case. Look at that. It actually was put in correctly. Folded on the perforate. Well, let's all celebrate this. You guys can take screenshots and put it up like it's like Lamley actually pulled a straight card. Wow. Should I be the highlight of the video? Should that be the screenshot? Hot Wheels 2021 P case with straight piece of perforated cardboards folded in the right place. That's amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put this up on eBay. First bid, $1,000 and then up from there. Fair? All right, enough jokes. All right, let's keep going. Cosmic Coupe, La Troca, and then the Mad Manga. Manga Tuner, sorry. Manga Tuner. Oh! Friends! Well, as cool as, now the dog is reacting too, as cool as this straight piece of cardboard is, folks, we found the Super treasure hunt in the second half of the case. I have never, not once, seen that by myself. Check that out. After all that talk, I ended up pulling that Super treasure hunt from this case in the second portion. Maybe that's something we'll start seeing more, but I know people have pulled it from stores, have seen it, but I've never seen it before, and we just did. Wow, how cool is that? So what's cooler? Straight piece of cardboard? A joke that I am just burying right now, beating a dead horse, so to speak, or this Super treasure hunt? Wow, wow, wow. How cool is that? I am excited. That was rad, and these are the other two cars that were part of that. Wow, that is cool. Very, very cool. Chevrolet Impala Ss. Well, you want to look at this real quick, just because we haven't highlighted it yet. So it is, I think, essentially the same. I don't know unless we see... Do you see the wagon anywhere? So we can compare and contrast? I don't think so. I think I just got the Super in this case. Not complaining there, so I'd have to pull out the old one. I did open it, I think, when I did the highlight video. So maybe there's stripes on the top are addition. Obviously the TH is there. But that is awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right. Cool. Chevrolet Impala Ss, another one of those. There's the Big Air Bel Air. Like I said, it needs to be a Super soon. I assume it will be. And the Bone Shaker recolor, the fantastic Moon Ice Bone Shaker recolor in gray. That's the second Super I've pulled. I think it's the first time I've pulled a Super from an A&J Toys case this year. I pulled the Civic, right? The Civic Type R from a Mattel Scent case when I did an unboxing. Remember on the balcony, and then the wind almost blew it off the balcony? All right, Porsche 993 GT2 recolor in white, which is great. Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, and the Nissan R390 GT1, right? Alpha Pursuit, Sand Burner, and the Nissan R390 again. Do we get another McLaren? I think we do. There's the Mazda MX-5 Miata, another Bugatti, and the Baja Crawler. Batman Batmobile, Porsche 914 Safari, and the recolor of the Draftinator. Love that Porsche Safari. Ain't Fair, Mad Splash, and the recolor of the Toyota Celica. Also fantastic. There's the fabulous recolor of the Mazda Savana RX-7 in blue, recolor of the white version, 2 Rocket Oil Specials. Ducati Scrambler, Hot Wheels Edition, Fusion Busta and the Forward Force. And to finish off this surprisingly cool case, there's another Toyota Celica. There's another McLaren. That's called a Bot Wheels. McLaren's cool. Just checking at those details again. The one McLaren I opened for the highlight vid ended up having a little bit of a crooked tail light, which was kind of annoying. I didn't notice until I opened it. Actually, after I watched the video again. Porsche 914 Safari, 87 Dodge, D100 in orange, which is cool. And there's that absolutely fabulous recolor of the absolutely fabulous Audi Avant RS2. EB110, McLaren F1, this Audi Avant. There's a couple others that are in the contention for me as model of the year, but we will see. But here's your highlight. Okay. Straight cardboard and a super treasure hunt. And a very nice one at that. Love the wagons, love this wagon gasser, and I now have the super. Thanks to A&J Toys. There's a super out of an international case. Don't see it very often. Never seen it out of the second half of a case. But that's exactly what happened. You guys witnessed it too. That was awesome. Maybe we'll see more of that. You guys let me know if you are seeing supers in the second half of a case. It happens, but not a lot. Maybe it'll happen more just because I experienced it. Thanks, everybody. Bye.